Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. So let us continue this practice paper. This is part 2. In part 1 we have finished section A or section 1 of ICSE 9th Mathematics Term 2 examination or annual examination. So duration 2 hours 30 minutes and you should spare 15 minutes for rechecking at last. So section 1 is done. In section 2 you have to attempt any 4 questions and choices will be given to you. So this is 5th question. I'll try to give you one extra. So here you have to find A and B. This is rationalizing factor denominator we have done before also. So now you have to multiply up and down by 5 minus root 6. We have to just change the sign. So if you multiply up and down by 5 minus root 6, what will you get? 5 minus root 6. So you will be getting 5 minus root 6 the whole square up. 5 minus root 6 the whole square up. Please, you can pause the video and try by yourself, and here you will get pi square minus root 6 square. Now when you open this bracket, you will be getting 25 plus 6 minus 10 root 6. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab and 25 minus 6. So your final answer comes 31 minus 10 root 6. See, be careful. Your b is also given minus and down is 19. So it gives you a, because they are asking a only. So only a will be 31 upon 19. And b will be, because b is minus b root 6. So don't write root 6, 10 upon 19. That's it. 10 upon 19. Many children they write minus 10 upon 19 and they are not given answer mark. When we come here, the length of rectangle is given, perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to the perimeter of square whose side. So perimeter of rectangle you know very well, twice length plus breadth. And perimeter of square is 4 into side. Many children make mistake here also. 4 into 12.5. Now it will give you, you can send to this side, so it will be 16 plus b. 2 will divide this side and 25. So your b will come 25 minus 16. Or you can say b is 9. When b is 9, now you can find area of rectangle. Will be length into breadth. So length is given 16 and this is 9. So 144 centimeter square. Easy. Please try by yourself. Here when we come, see, try to just simplify it first. So you can write 3 into 3 cube n plus 1 plus 3 square into 3n minus 1 upon 8 into, don't do anything for 8 because I don't find anything common for 8. Same thing with 5. And there you can write 3 cube into n. Now if you see, 3 raised to n is everywhere. Or you can have one more step if you want. So you can write 3 raised to 3n into 3 raised to 3, because when you multiply 3n plus 3 it will become plus 3 square into 3 raised to 3n into 3 raised to minus 1. You have to be very, very careful. And down you can write the same thing. Same thing means I am not writing. And now you can take common. So 3 raised to 3n is common. So what remains here? Here remains 3 raised to 4. How? 1 3 is this and 3 cube is this. So 3 raised to 4 remains here. And if you see here remains, because there are two terms, 3 square into 3 raised to minus 1 on multiplication degrees are added, so 2 minus 1 will give you 3 only. Many children make mistake here. And upon 3 raised to 3n, when you take common, here remains 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. And now 3 and 3n can be cancelled. And you got very well 84. 3 cube is 27. So some children write 27. It is 3 raised to 4. 84. Sorry, 81. 81 plus 3 upon 3, which is 84 upon 3. 84 upon 3 gives you 28. So your answer is 28. Let us move further. You can take a screenshot and you can try by yourself. If you try by yourself, if you do some by yourself, you will understand better. I'm just trying to help you so you can tell your answers. Wherever hypotenuse is involved, I have explained in my videos. You can watch my videos. If you find any topic difficult, I have made the videos for that. You can go in playlist and check. So hypotenuse is given and they are asking AD, opposite. So you can apply sine very well. So sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So AD upon 100, easy. And sine 30 is 1 upon 2, you should know it. AD upon 100. So AD will be 100 upon 2. You can shift that side. So your AD came 50 centimeter. Clear? Now let us move further. Here what sum of money amounts this much in 2 years at 10% compound interest? So you can apply amount formula. What sum of money amount? So this is amount given. Amount is given. Many children they take it like principle. So amount is, you know, amount is P1 plus R upon 100. R is 10 here, raised to N. N is 2 here. So you can make it 0, 0 cancel. Okay. And when you solve it, you will be getting 4840. Okay. And here we have to find P. So P you can have as it is, and you can take LCM here. So you take upon 1, so 10, or you can write 11 upon 10 the whole square. Now when you shift this 11 upon 10 the whole square this side, your P will be, you can write reciprocal, so 4840 into 121 upon 100. When it will go this side, it will become 100 upon 121. You can cancel and you can get the answer. So P comes 4,000 rupees, 4,000. P comes rupees 4,000 because it goes exactly 4 times. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, and 4 1 ja. You can check. Okay, so it goes 4 times. So 40. Some children write 400. So you have to be careful of sign. So it comes rupees 4,000 is your answer. Try to do by yourself. Here, these are two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Here I call Asas method. Add, subtract, add and substitute. So when you add, you get 98. 65 plus 33 will be 98x minus 98y. Generally you get the same digit is equal to 98. This is on addition. So when you can divide by 98, so it will be x minus y is 1. You can write equation 3. Same way you can subtract. Okay, 2 from 1. So you get 32x. If you are going to multiply, then it will be very, very difficult for you because they are big digits. So on subtracting, 32y is 96. And you get multiple. So it is multiple of 32. So you can divide by 32. So you get x plus y is 3. So this is equation 4. Now again adding. Adding 3 and 4, so y will get cancelled, you will get 2x is 4. So x comes 2. Now when x you substitute in any one equation, you get y equal to 3 minus 2, so y equal to 1. So you got two answers. One is x is equal to 2 and other is y equal to 1. Clear? Now when you go for next, I am going little fast. I am just giving you the hint. You can take a screenshot and try by yourself. Quickly, area formula. So you know very well area is half base into height. So base is given means side is given 8. So half base into height is root 3 upon 4 side square. Because the formula of equilateral triangle area is this. So you can find height directly. One of my students did this way and many children use Pythagoras. So your 4h, so h4 you can send this side. So root 3 upon 4 into 64 and 4 will also go this side. Now you can cancel. So 4 ja 16, 4 ja. So your height comes 4 root 3 and they said write your answer in third form. So no need to use the value of root 3. So this is your answer. A cube minus B cube. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube formula you can apply. So that is x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x is your x minus 1 upon x the whole cube. From here, this entire. So what you can do? You can substitute the values. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube you have to find. So keep as it is and 3 minus 3 sorry. So minus 3 in bracket it is given 5 and here again it is given 5, so 5 cube and you got your answer. So x cube minus 1 upon cube. Children, learners are afraid of fraction. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube will be 125 plus 15 which gives you 140. 140 is your answer. Here AB is side of hexagon. So hexagon means it will be 360 upon 6. So 60 degree. And they said BC is side of square. So square means 360 upon 90. It will give you so easy. So it will give you 40. Now what they want? BOC. So your BOC became 90 degree. Oh my God. How many sides are there? We need not divide. We have to find the angle. So angle is not given. So we have to divide by side. Sorry. So here we are correct. So here 360 upon 6 gives you 60 degree. Here 360 upon 4 because the center will be divided into 4 parts. So you will get 90 degree. So your BOC is 90 degree. 360 upon 4 and AOC you have to add. So 60 plus 90. You have to add 60 plus 90 and you can get. So 60 plus 90 is 150. So your correct answer is 150. Followed 140 degree. 150 degree, sorry. How I am adding? 90 plus 60 is 150. I was checking some message. Anyway, sorry. So now this is 8th question. And for this 8th question you can take screenshot and try by yourself. You can try by yourself and you can use the formula, whichever formula is applied. So mean formula you know all. So what is mean formula? Mean formula is sum of data upon number of data and here your mean is given 66. So 66 is add them all. So 8 plus 11 plus 6 plus 14 plus 13 it comes 52. 52 plus x. Please be careful because it is plus x. and count how many there are. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6, and now the 6 will go that side, so it will be 66 into 6, which gives you 52 plus x. Many children make mistake here also. So when you find x, 66 into 6 will give you 396 minus 52. So your x comes 344. So you have to be very, very careful. Children make mistake here. For adding x, you have to write plus x, and then 52 they divide. So 52 will be subtracted. Let us move further. If the volume of cube is given, find total surface area. So here you have to find first side. Side will be cube root of volume. 7 to 9 is 9 cube. So 9 is the side. And now you can find TSA. Total surface area is 6 side square. 6 side square. So 6 into 81. So 6 into 81, which gives you 486. It was easy, but many children, they don't find cube root of 7 to 9, they write 8 or whatever. Mistake is mistake. So correct formula with correct substitution. So you can write the formula. I am not writing formula. Please make habit of writing formula and then substitute the values. Here regions are important. 90 minus, this is complementary angle based. So here sine square 34 and sine 56, they are complementary and there is square relation. You must be knowing sine has its square relation with cos, so we can change any one. So sine square 34 plus, we can write here cos square 90 minus 56. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, and then here 2 18, and this you can change cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 72, and cot 30 is 1060, so root 3, so root 3 square. And here you can mention sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, or you can write cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, like that. Okay, you can use cos because we are using cos. So whatever you are using you can write, because there is one mark. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now, so it comes, it gives you sine square 34 plus cos square 34, because square relation sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Many children get confused. And here 2 10 18 into cot 18, they are reciprocal, so I can cancel them, minus 3. So here it comes 1 plus, it comes 2 10 18 into 1 upon 10 18. You can expand the step if you want, and then you can cancel them, and you got your answer 1 plus 2 minus 3, which is 3 minus 3 gives you 0. Let us move further quickly, because video is becoming bigger anyways, but we have to solve the entire, this is extra question. I'll try to give you more extra. Show that they are the vertices of isosceles. So you can apply distance formula. You can find if any two are equal, so x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 formula. So and then you can easily get it. So using distance formula you can try. So suppose you can find them PQR. So you can find PQ. So when you find PQ, you will get x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 0 the square, 5 square, plus 10 minus 5 the square is 5 square. So you got 50, root 50, or you can write 5 root 2. Leave it, and then you can go with QR. QR x2 minus x1 the whole square. So you can go with 5 minus 6. So it gives you minus 1 square, and 10 minus 3 gives you 7 square. So it comes 1 plus 49. Great. I need not to solve the third side because I got two sides equal. Therefore it is an isosceles triangle. You can write, since PQ is QR, is 5 root 2. or 50 root 2. 5 root 2. Sometimes teachers may check that. Find the median. For median, many children they find in between, or they find the average of these two. For median, you have to arrange first. So when you arrange, 10 will come first, then 15, then 16, then 19, then 54, and then 80. And you know your median is the middle term, and here n is even number. There are 6, so 2 middle term. So your median will be 2 middle term means third term plus fourth term upon 2. So it is coming 35 upon 2. 35 upon 2, which is 17.5. So don't get confused when you are getting in decimal. Here, midpoint theorem. Okay, so Mn is given parallel, and this parallel gives you more idea. So Mn, by using midpoint theorem, Mn is half of BC. Many students they do that, but many students got confused in x. So what you can write, 2y plus 3 is half 3y plus 8. Now here, when to cross multiplication, you shift to this side. Many children make mistake. They write only 4y plus 3. 4y plus 6 is 3y plus 8. And when you shift y that side, so y will come 2. Many got that. But x relation, they are interior opposite angles. And interior opposite angles are supplementary, or the sum is 180. So sum of interior opposite angles is 180. So what you will write here? 3x minus 10 plus x plus 18 is 180. Many students make mistake in this question. So you got 4x plus 8. So you can shift that side, it will become minus 8. Okay, so you get, this is 10 and this is 18. So you get 4x is 172. So x is 172 upon 4. X comes 4 4 ja 4 3 ja 43. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please share with your contacts. May God bless you.